What's up, you guys? So I'm making macaroni salad in the bed. I had already started. So I just tasted and I was trying to figure out what the heck was I missing. You guys, this is so ghetto. Don't do this, but I'm being ghetto.
Hi guys, I got the little doggy here.
So I'm making macaroni salad in the bed. That's what it looks like. So I was trying to figure out what was I missing. And I didn't put the eggs in the girl. I'm telling my daughter, like, what am I missing? I'm looking at the macaroni salad, right, y'all? And the whole time I am missing freaking eggs.
Is this the correct way to hold Frenchies?
Oh, my bad, y'all. I was watching like something on TV. Kind of got a little distracted. So, guys, give me a fork. So I forgot to put the eggs in the macaroni salad, y'all. I don't know what was I thinking. I forgot to put macaroni salad. Oh my God. Put it right down and stop being so loud. Give me a real fork. So I forgot to peel the dang eggs. I hate it when, oh my God, it's not. I'm gonna just take the yolk because I hate it when it don't do right, the eggs. Oh my God, the eggs acting like it don't want to be peeled. I should have peeled this right away. Why do eggs do that? Like they don't want to be peeled. Let me show y'all.
Let me show you how to do it. Crack it.
Don't get nothing on my purse. It's not that. It's just, it's tripping. Tasha, what a little bowl of water. So I can rinse the egg
Yeah,
out.
normally you put in a bowl of water, it just come right off.
Yeah, because I don't know why that is. You put in the water and it come off. But
It's because it makes the shell softer.
I should have picked this when this first got done. Sometimes I think it'd be the eggs because it's not supposed to do that. So right now we're making tuna salad. Huh?
I said it'd be hard to be peeled.
Yeah, because it's like...
No, that's how eggs are.
Oh, it's not supposed to be like that.
It's basically hatching an egg.
I tell you, impossible.
It's just... I don't know why I do this.
This girl say hatching an egg.
We are hatching an egg. We're breaking the shells.
But they should just open like... Open up like... Not be doing this to what it's doing right now.
I don't like when I pick it and the skin, you know what I'm talking about?
What, the skin come off?
The skin that be sticking. You see this layer of skin right here?
Yeah.
I hate when it like make it break. You know what I'm saying?
So our dog is 9 months. And we think she about to get ready to be in her period, but we not quite sure.
Get ready to get on her cycle. Yeah, I got it.
Her cycle, her period.
You have to say proper words on YouTube. I got water. I got.
I'm gonna make this video 8 for not younger kids then, because people will try to report me probably for saying period
And cycle.
and cycle. Any little thing they can report you for.
That was weird. Mommy's washing her hands. Comment down below if y'all want to see me make fufu. That fufu gonna be good.
I don't know what this girl keep talking about. Dang, fufu.
I'm gonna call Dr. William tomorrow.
Dr. William?
Yes.
Oh, Dr. William did. Hold on, I'm finna peel one more egg.
Okay.
I forgot he said that he was gonna make you some fufu.
He said he's gonna call you when it was ready.
What a restaurant we can go get fufu from?
I need to look it up. It's in Ybor City.
In Ybor City?
Yeah, that's what Zoe told me.
In Ybor City, it's African
Yeah.
place that you can get.
Yeah, Zoe told me that. Tita, friend. I was outside with her. She said she tried it at this restaurant in Ybor City.
Was it good?
Yeah, she said it
Or
was
was
good.
the bread like kind of
She said
dough?
it was the dough was super smooth, and she had the agusi soup that I wanted.
This is just like I can't even. pick it. I'm not gonna even try. It's like it's tearing and stuff. I can't. I'm gonna clean my hands real quick.
Daddy.
All right.
So I gotta dump this out.
Give me a paper towel.
Okay, Mama.
Comment down below. Give me my house phone. Let me know what y'all think about macaroni tuna salad. And yes, I am making it in the bed. I'm extra sleepy. I forgot to make this. So I'm trying to finish it up now because I'm sleepy. I'm super, super sleepy. I'm finna make this for them right now and then I'm going to bed. Because I really didn't want to make this macaroni salad. Where's paper towel? Where's the paper towel? And give me the house phone. So I'm going to tell anybody, if they calling me while I'm blogging, I'm not going to click over until I get done blogging. Because then I lose video, then I lose train of thought, what I wanted to say in my video. Because somebody calling me on my phone. Open your phone. Sorry, Daddy, number, please.
Okay.
So yeah, I lose chain of thought. That's what I do. Lose my thoughts and everything when people call me. So I try to, you know, I can't multitask. That's what they call it, multitask or something shit like that. Yeah. Something on a photograph. Come on. And of course, he's still calling my cell phone. And of course, I'm trying to answer for him, but he's not picking up. Hello? Oh.
Yes, Melissa. I mean,
I sit on top. You downstairs?
My friends call me Lacey, and I know we're not friends yet, but if you wanted to call me...
Lacey.
What time is it?
Thank you so much, Lacey. I know this was really last minute.
Oh, maybe because of the pandemic. Maybe because of the pandemic. They ain't got people working, the lady said. I forgot to tell you that.
Mommy, I grabbed my leg.
But okay, that's fine.
I see that. So
Mommy,
that's
look.
good. Thank you.
Mommy. Mommy, look.
Okay.
I'm not playing.
Don't play then, okay? Because it's about time for get ready for bed, honey.
Yay! I'm going to
1109 W Waters Avenue.
I say water. That's not E-boy. You said E-boy.
Tia the friend told me that. But that's what she said. There's different restaurants here. That's why. It's this one. Can my kids go get food one day?
We'll see. We'll blog while we go in there then.
Okay.
So I'm almost done making the macaroni salad, y'all.
See what?
I need my book bag so I can finish my paperwork. Screenshot the address.
I screenshot before. Because the day that you're cooking, you said, the day that I missed you said
Yeah. Will never happen.
What are you making?
what I screenshot.
The address. Send it to me.
Oh. You gotta order.
Online?
No, you gotta call and order.
Do they deliver?
Yeah, they do deliveries.
But do they come to South Tampa? Blocker. I gotta call the vet people tomorrow because I mean the insurance thing. I gotta call your insurance to see.
They close Monday. They open Tuesday.
Great. Tough, but they're out.
You must know her.
Mom, you left the airway.
I gotta get the paper offline for her.
The assistant.
It's by Krispy Kreme.
That's Waters.
Oh, that's a change.
Look.
Oh, let me get
Do we go to this Krispy Kreme?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah. Blocker.
Cause they go to this Krispy Kreme. Remember time
No.
I thought it was gonna be like,
I do really want to be like Sharon.
you
know,
see this
follow
part
her.
and it's split like that.
Yeah, it looks fine.
It's by Busch Garden. It's by Mom P house. What? What is?
The foo-foo place. All right, go take it off so she don't jump on you.
Sorry.
Pretty bad. We're gonna work on that.
Oh yeah, I sent you for because that's where she stayed at.
What time?
6:30.
Oh, okay.
Look. It's
All right,
25
y'all.
minutes
So
away.
tell me what y'all thinking about this tuna salad.
I prefer in person.
Tasha, get like a bowl so we can see. Oh, it ain't mixed all the way.
Disappears. See,
So,
has to forget every other role that I've ever played.
oh yeah, let me catch some news real quick. Try to watch the news lately to catch up with things. See what's going on.
True. From 1953 to 1987, chemicals polluted the water supply of U.S. Marine Corps base Camp Lejeune. Thousands of
so-
patriotic Americans were exposed. Now they're dealing with cancers, lymphomas, and more. Through the
Don't do
Camp
it.
Lejeune Justice
The market
Act,
said it looked better.
Why would you cut? I mean, it looked better without the jacket. You're covering up your shirt.
I know. He said take some with the jacket and take some without the jacket.
Yeah, I know. Yeah,
It looks straight.
it looks nice.
I need to relace my shoes. I need. You got thin socks.
Yeah, look in your daddy bucket. Hurry up before he comes.
Which one?
Hey, his basket over there. Better hurry up.
Lock up.
And the results are what make Blue Hawk Law one of Tampa's top rated law firms.
Hey,
Hey, don't let her touch the girl's shoes. Put the girl's shoes up.
pick them up, Tiara. Put your shoes up.
Put them on the bed.
Put them on the bed.
Honey, get me a Pepsi. Oh, honey. Throw this in the box. Thank you. Good job, honey.
There's nothing we haven't seen.
I gotta get honey back on her schedule, y'all. Since she been out of school, she's been off the chain.
Warehouse on wheels. We can usually get the repair done the same day. Whether it's fixing a broken spring or a brand new door, we've got you covered.
That match. Almost. Look over there and see. He got matching socks in there.
Testing out new state-of-the-art technology for people using power wheelchairs.
It would allow them to steer their chair or activate their smartphone by tilting their head or changing their facial expression. The Fox Medical Team's Beth Galvin shows
Leave
us.
her alone.
Inside the Aware House on the Georgia Tech campus, Matt McCoy is testing out what could be the next big thing in assistive technology. A system of
I should go get me some pickle radish. It's in a jar.
behind his ear, allowing McCoy to steer his power wheelchair by tilting his head. For 5 years, Georgia Tech postdoctoral research engineer
They match my bra, look and see. I ain't got no socks.
Tuning the system they call MagTrack, getting ready for McCoy and a handful of other volunteers living with disabilities to give it a roll. And so far,
Honestly, I feel pretty great after the testing today. Now,
Oh, it's in a jar.
now being always and
Give me another spoon.
without destroying the home.
McCoy didn't want to do an on-camera interview, but he was comfortable with us videotaping him maneuvering his chair using magnetic sensors that detect his head tilts and changes in his facial expression.
I need some seasoning.
Setka and Bavsar say their hope is to give people who are unable to move from the neck down more independence and a system that will be less cumbersome than the current technology they're using.
So the idea here is that how can we create something that is wearable, that will be on them all the time, we don't clutter anything around them, and we let them be able to drink, eat, without having to reset.
I ate off of this.
And MagTrack does more than drive a wheelchair. Users can use it to open up and control smartphone apps or operate smart technology in
Can you
their
bring me
homes
some-
with a head tilt or
Hold on.
facial
Can I try some?
So whenever the user makes a cheek
Yeah.
twitch or a gesture or an eyebrow raise or a drop,
We can make our own fufu.
and then it will
No, I'm not do all that.
You take the fufu powder,
So for example, on
you put it in water, mix it together, boil it.
Here, bring me some seasoning salt, garlic, black pepper.
for example,
'Cause it don't taste like it got no seasoning in it.
The researchers are still looking at kinks in the technology and
Not quite sure.
questions like will people
I don't like it too sweet, but my kids like it sweet.
from their faces.
Cause my friend Brandy make her macaroni salad sweet.
Want to draw attention.
And I miss my friend. I love my friend Brandy. But we just ain't friends right now. But it's okay.
And this is what the challenge is.
We've been friends for a long time.
A universal controller.
Like we got close in 2011.
So this is the real challenge. So
No, 2010.
where is the line? So is having the
This?
line in your face okay for you?
Oh, this first? Because it makes it. That's actually the same color. You know that, right?
What?
That's the same color.
Blocker, get out that bed, Blocker. Out.
My bed.
Out. Thank you.
She got blood on her booty.
For your Fox Medical team,
It's dry blood.
And keep it hanging on my bed. That's white blood.
Here's so long.
She's selling it.
Has definitely sparked a great deal of discussion around the newsroom.
I'm excited. It's my first.
I thought I opened that.
First one ever, really? Yeah, absolutely, yeah. I can't
Honey,
just-
stop. Walk. Stop.
Big night for you, Dad. Here's the question.
Blocker, out. Out, Blocker. Get out.
Blocker, get out!
Stab it.
In 1979, so July 10th,
There you go.
1979, Hurricane Blank became
Let's
the
go.
first Atlantic
Baker.
tracking system
Baker.
to get
Baker.
male name. We started naming storms back in the early 50s, but up until this
Why you
point,
close
it
the
was
door?
all female names.
I don't know.
This year, 1979, they decided to start using male names as well. Was it Bob, Lloyd, Kevin, or Ron? All of those names are familiar to us. Folks work behind the scenes here, of course, Lloyd and Kevin. What do you guys think?
After a great deal of thought,
What is
I
top?
think that Lloyd
Right there.
feels kind of hurricane-like.
I'm going to go with Lloyd too because he's such a nice
Yeah.
guy. I have no clue whatsoever. So.
They're
Okay,
open.
so we have 2 for Lloyd and
Tell Demarcus come. Tell Demarcus come taste this. He gonna tell me the truth.
You're all sending my answer. 10-17 and Lloyd has not submitted an answer, so unfortunately he's disqualified. He will not get much of this game.
Y'all want to see somebody who come to my house and eat all the time? Macaroni salad.
Opportunity to
You don't eat macaroni salad? Why?
Bob, our producer Bob, will the first.
What you mean?
It doesn't exactly.
You don't like macaroni salad?
I'll tell you the taste of it.
No, if you can't eat it, then don't eat it.
No, it's not that I can't eat it. It's just I don't eat it.
Why you don't? Every black person, every white person eat macaroni salad. But what? Any color eat macaroni salad. You want some?
It's alright.
Go get it. Tell I said give you that tablet. What am I missing?
But it's good.
Do you think I need more seasoning?
It's just right.
Welcome to our channel.
Let me try.
It's good,
No,
but
you
I ain't gonna lie
gotta
about
taste
it.
it.
We got Ritz crackers, so you eat it with Ritz crackers.